Hey, welcome back. Kharisma here. In today's video, I'm going to be talking all about embodying your next level identity and sharing the next 2 keys to be able to do that. In my previous video, I shared 2 of the 4, which I talked about imagination and belief. And in this video, I'm going to be talking about emotions and feelings and action. So grab your paper and pen and let's get started. If you've been following along my previous videos, I've been talking all about really embodying your next level identity in order to manifest the desires that you have. I've been using the example of a New York best-selling Times author. And it's important that you really understand why these keys are critical in order for you to bring into your reality what you are desiring to manifest. Maybe you've been trying for a while, but things are not working. So I would love to invite you to follow these keys and tell me, share in the comments below if you've used any of these keys, follow these steps to manifest your desires. Now, emotions and feelings. As you know, you've probably heard that the secret to manifestation are the feelings or emotions. And why is that? Why is it emotions and feelings? It's like the secret sauce to manifesting what you desire or bringing to reality much faster what you want in your life and in your business. The things about emotions and feelings is that we could imagine or we can do the inspired action and we can have the belief, but when we don't have the feeling of that state, then it makes it very hard and challenging to actually bring what you want or desire into your life or into your business. So my question for you today is, can you feel yourself to be that person right now? To be the author, or if you desire to have a soulmate or you desire to be married, can you feel it right now? Can you feel what it's like to be married right now? You may have had relationships that have not worked out, but you so long desire to get married, to start a family, to have someone there with you that's committed to your relationship long term, to build a life together, for them to really commit by getting married, right? Taking that step. But can you feel it right now? You may desire that, but can you actually feel what it feels like to be married? Take a minute. What does it feel like? Because it's important, if this is what you desire, it's important for you to be able to tap into those feelings. Always, every time, we're looking for a feeling. Most of the time, 99.9% of the time, when we desire something, it's for the feeling. We say we want more money, but the money is a tool to give us a certain experience and a feeling, right? It's the feeling. Maybe it's freedom. Maybe it's security. Maybe it's safety. It's all emotional and it's all feeling that we truly want and desire at the end of the day. Okay, so when you're able to tap into the feeling of the state that you want, of that next level identity is going to give you. It'll give you lots of other things, but at the end of the day, it's the feeling. So you need to get clear on what that feeling is now and to be able to tap into that feeling and feel the feeling now, because it's critical to manifest that thing. So I want you to step into the imagined picture that you did in my previous video through the imagination and belief. And I want you to feel it in your body. If you desire to be married, what does it feel like to be married? See it in your mind's eye. You're married, your husband is laying next to you. What does that feel like? You wake up in the morning and there's warmth. It's this body next to you, this person that you love, you adore, you cherish, you respect. He admires you, you admire him. He is your best friend. He is your life partner. He is the one who's there for you through the thick and thin. He's the one that you may have disagreements with, but you love him regardless. How does it feel to have such a person in your life? How does it feel to finally be with that person? He's in your bed, you're having breakfast together, you're taking walks, you're walking with your dog, you're going away on vacation. You may have a rough day and he's the first person that you call because you know he can help you, he can calm you down, he can reassure you that everything is going to be okay. What does that feel like to you? Tap into the feelings, get clear on the emotions. Feel the feelings now. And repeat as often as possible. Feel the feelings. Finally, number 4 is all about action. And not only action, we only focus here on inspired action, guided action, because there's a difference. You want to tap into inspired action, not just any action, not just massive action, but inspired action. Action that is alignment to you and an alignment to your next level identity. Are you taking inspired action from the energetic state? That energetic state that we discussed. You know, the feelings, the imagination, the belief. Are you? Are you thinking and acting from it? You need to get clear on what that is so that you can take the inspired action. As a New York best-selling Times author or next #1 best-selling author on Amazon, what are you doing? What are the inspired actions now that you're taking? Are you writing every day? Are you reaching out to individuals? Are you showing up to the opportunities that being presented to you as an author? Or are you taking action from a place of you are married, you have your soul partner? Have you made room for him? Does he have his own night table? You know, does he have his own closet? Have you made room for the table? Is there a setting on your table for him? A place setting for him? Taking inspired action now as if he's already in your life. That husband that you desire is already in your life. You need to take the inspired action from that energetic state, from those emotions, from those feelings, imagination, and belief. So now that you've got the emotional frequency, are you taking action from it? You're basically living that person, right? And at first it may feel like you're role playing, which you probably will be for the first little while until it starts to become who you are. You start embodying it. It becomes second nature. The more you gradually transform your identity, the more quickly you become, and you will manifest those desires that you want for your life and for your business. Now, don't take action with the feeling of lack that you don't have already. It's important that you take action, inspired action, from the feeling that you already have what you desire. So when you are really taking action from that embodiment, you are broadcasting to the universe and to everyone around you that you are that person already. You are that person. So this is why it's important to take aligned action, get clear on what those steps are, what you should be doing every day as that next level identity in order to bring it into a reality at a much faster rate. So that concludes my video and this series on really embodying your next level identity. Over the last videos and this video, I've talked about 4 keys to embodying your next level identity. I talked about imagination, belief, emotions and feelings, and inspired action. So I hope that this video has been of value to you. Please share below. If it has been, share it with someone. And if you haven't liked it already, go ahead and hit the like button, and also join the family here by subscribing to this channel. And if you desire deeper support, I'd love to invite you to join me in the Dare to Be Iconic Club. The link is in the description below, where I will help support you, guide you, mentor you to become that next level version of yourself that you desire, so that you can earn, attract, and receive the money, the impact, the influence that you're meant to have and that you deserve. Until next time, remember, dare to be iconic in business and life. Bye for now.